Hey everybody, today I'm reviewing a SANSI C2020 70 watt outdoor floodlight. It's a multicolor outdoor floodlight, uses 70 watts of power, completely waterproof, snowproof, windproof. I'm not, it's raining today, so I'm waiting to go find a place on the yard for these for Halloween evening. These things are really cool. They put off 5,000 watts equivalent of light, and they are ridiculously bright. I have it turned down so it doesn't blind you. Check the link in the description if you want to purchase one of these. They're really good, well priced on Amazon and Amazon.ca. I will send all the links, will be in the description below. And I'm going to show you, it comes with a remote, so you can change the colors, the flash speed, the strobe. So what we're going to first do is turn it on. I've got it pointed slightly away from the camera so it hopefully doesn't blind you. And that's in red, and it's in a flash mode right now, a red flash, and we can change that to a different color flash with the remote. And we can also change the speed that it flashes and the brightness of the light with these buttons here. It's like a TV remote. As you can see, it's flashing faster. And we can change that to red and flashing faster, and we can change it to through all these colors down here. We can put it in a strobe mode. We can put it in a mode where it smoothly fades in and out of different colors, and we can also adjust the brightness and the speed that it changes between those colors. There is a white mode, you can strobe in white only. And I don't believe it goes fast enough to strobe to actually cause seizures or anything like that. It comes in a box. They are linkable, so you can link the remote to a bunch of different ones, and it can control them all at the same time. They all come with the remote. And yeah, we'll be hooking that up later. There's a little foot there that you can use it to anchor to somewhere, but it's also got a bracket stand on the back. Oops, that's probably pointing right in your eyes. That will allow it to be positioned and angled wherever you want. So we're going to wait for the sun to go down, and we'll show you some light. I've done reviews for SANSI before. Every one of their products has been just outstanding. I will show you my motion activated spotlight tonight, my garage security light. It's unbelievable, lights up half the neighborhood. And we used the SANSI infrared night vision motion activated light. Oh, look, cardinal. You see him up on the line? See the cardinal up there? He flew away. Never mind. We put the motion activated night vision camera also has a security light and audio, and the police have used it so many times to catch people that just happen to drive past. I mean, this thing picks up their license numbers and everything. It's beautiful. But anyway, links in description, and we'll get back when it's dark and we can put some light on those big trees up there. It's like 100-foot tall willow. I'm going to be lighting up that and another tree. Back in a bit. Okay, this is just I've got two lights set up, randomly flashing different colors. Oh, that's two lights just in red. Oh, both randomly flashing blue. They seem kind of synced. And you can adjust the speed of the flash and the brightness of the flash. I think I have these almost on full bright, but I'm not sure. We're gonna try lighting up some trees now. That's one of my birch trees lit up in yellow, but it's getting all of the maples as well. I have to work on where to place them, but it's pretty cool. Oh, yeah, garage lights are washing that out. I'll be back in a sec. Now, this is like a fading color shift on that 100-foot willow in my front yard. It pretty well lights the whole damn thing up. It's pitch black out. Look, moon. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And this is two separate trees lit up with It's just smooth fading back and forth between colors. I don't know if I can get much further back from them. Like I was talking about my motion sensor light before. So my neighbor's house is about 120 feet that way. He also has one installed, and I'm going to put a picture of one from my front porch, which would be about 160 feet from his house, approximately. It's just a picture I took the other day because the moon was really cool. So anyway, I'm going to walk in front of this SANSI motion sensor light on my driveway. It picks up the cars on the road, so if somebody goes by on the road, but it'll pick up me on the driveway, and it lights up the entire yard. It lights up everything. And that's also from SANSI. Yeah. I've had that one in for about 2 or 3 years. It works beautifully. And again, I will post a picture of my next door neighbor who has the same light. I'll post a picture of his house when his light is on.